Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing exercise 6.7 in which we were discussing the four fundamental operations of mathematics. Okay, so we were in the last session we have started with the new topic, that is the problems on four fundamental operations, okay, of mathematics. So now we have already started with the introduction, we have already done the introduction and started with the exercise 6.7. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the same exercise 6.7. So first of all, I'm just writing the topic here. So everybody open your notebooks. That is chapter number 6. The topic is division. The topic is division. And we will start with exercise 6.7. Exercise 6.7. So we have already done up to question number 3. So now I am going to start with the next question, that is question number 4. So let's begin with the question number 4. Okay, so this is simplifying. The question number 4 is simply 5. Okay, so we are doing the simplification and we will do question number 4 from exercise 6.7. So this question number 4 is 4200 divided by 35 plus 7123 minus 4120. This is the question, that is 4200 divided by 35, 4200 divided by 35 plus 7123 plus 7123 minus 4120 minus 4120. Okay, so now this is the line that I have done, that I have made for the rough work. So yes, so if you remember beta, in the last session I have told you, so whenever all those four basic operations of the mathematics is given, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when all these four fundamentals of mathematics is given, so we have to use a formula, that is the D mass. So the complete formula is board mass, but BO is not in your syllabus. So we will use the rule of, we will follow the rule of D mass to solve this. तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए कौन सा रूल फॉलो करेंगे? So we are going to follow the D mass. Okay, so D here stands for division. So D stands for division. So here D stands for division. So first of all we are going to do the division. So we will do the division. Okay, so here we can see the division is here. So that means we have to divide this number first. हम इन दोनों नंबर को divide करेंगे. So that is 4200 divided by 35. 4200 divided by 35. 4200 divided by 35. तो करिए 35 ones are 35. 35 ones are 35. So this is 12. Okay. Now bring down the next number, that is 0. The number became 70. So let's divide 70 with 35. So 35 twos are 70. 35 twos are 70. 70 minus 7 is 0 and 0. Bring down the next number, that is 0. Okay. 35 zeros are 0. Okay. So the quotient we got after dividing 4200 with 35 is 120. So 4200 divided by 35 is equal to 120. Now let's write on this as it is, plus 7123 minus 4120. आपको ये लाइन नहीं लगानी है, ये तो मैं सिर्फ समझाने के लिए लगा रही हूँ बेटा. ओके, आपको ये लाइन लगानी नहीं है एक्चुअली. नाउ ओके, 120 प्लस 7123 प्लस 4120. So now after d division is done, the next is m. M means multiplication, but there is no multiplication here. So we will move to the next fundament, that is A. A stands for addition. So now we will do the addition. So we will add 120 with 7123. So let's add 7123 plus 120. 7123 plus 120. 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 7. So 7123 plus 120. We got 7243. We got 7243. So इन दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद we got 7243 minus 4120. So 7243 minus 4120. तो इसी के नीचे माइनस कर दीजिए, माइनस 4120. So let's subtract it. 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 4, 3. So we got, after subtraction, we got 3123. So 7243 minus 4120, we got 3123. 3123. So this is what we got after subtracting. So the answer is 3000. The answer is 3123. The answer is 3123. Sorry, I have that अनोइंगली मैंने इसको डिलीट कर दिया, सॉरी इरेज कर दिया, बट आपको इरेज नहीं करना था. मेरे को कुछ और इरेज करना था, मैंने कुछ और इरेज कर दिया. ओके, तो आपको प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन शो करनी है. सो आई जस्ट डू इट वन मोर टाइम. ओके, फटाफट में कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे. 4200 डिवाइडेड बाय 35, 135, दैट इज 70. 2s are 70. Okay, I'm just doing it for you fast so that you can. Okay, and after that you have done this, that is 7123 plus 120, 3, 4, 2, 7, and then उसके बाद आपको इसमें subtract करना था 4123. Sorry, I have just got 3123. ये आपको शो करना है. So the answer is 3123. So you have to show this as well in your notebooks. Clear? मैंने बस वो पता नहीं क्यों रेज कर दिया unknowingly. So please note it down in your notebooks as well. Okay class? So this is the solution of question number 4 from exercise 6.7. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 5. So now I am moving to the next question, that is question number 5. Again the next question is question number 5, that is also of simplify. So simplify 125 into 42 divided by 7 plus 609. The question number 5 is 125 multiply 42. 125 multiply 42 divided by 7 plus 609 plus 609. Okay, so चलिए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So now we have to solve it. Again in this as well we will follow the rule of the D mass. Okay, so we will follow the D mass. So the D mass, D stands for division. So first of all we will do the division in the simplification. So in division we have to divide this 2. So we will divide 42 with 7. So let's divide 42 with 7. Okay, 7 6s are 42. 7 6s are 42. So after dividing 42 with 7 we got 6. So इन दोनों को डिवाइड करके हमारे पास क्या आया 6. So बाकी सब का एज भी किए, that is 125 multiplies 42 divided by 7 we got 6 plus 609. So 125 multiplied by 6 plus 609. So this we have done the division. After division we have M. M means multiplication. So now we will do the multiplication. So now we will multiply 125 with 6. So we will multiply 125 with 6. Okay. So let's multiply these two. That is 125 multiplied by 6. Okay, so let's multiply. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 will be carried above. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1 will be carried above. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, this is 7. The number after multiplying 125 with 6, we got 750. 125 into 6 multiply करने से we got 750. Now plus 609 plus 609. So 750 plus 609. So we can add it here also. Okay, हम इसको नीचे इसके ऐड कर देंगे so that we can get the answer. 750 plus 609. So let's add it. Okay, 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 6, 13. So after adding these two, we got 1359. Multiplication के बाद we were having addition, so that we have done here. Next is subtraction, but sum is already solved, so no need to do the subtraction. So this is the answer, that is 1359. So that we will write here. Answer is equal to 1359. ओके, तो आपको ये लाइंस लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, आई हैव जस्ट ड्रॉन इट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने ये लाइंस लगाई। देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ लाइन फॉर यू। ओके, सो you are not going to draw it. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 6.7, and you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 6. We will move to the next question, that is question number 6. The question number 6 is, the question number 6 is 5. Again, it's also a simplification in which we have to multiply 529 multiply 71 minus 630 divided by 42. Okay, so this is also the sum of simplification. So 529 multiply 71 minus 630 divided by 42. So 529 multiply 71 minus 630 divided by 42. तो चलिए करते हैं इसको. Again, in this as well, we will follow the rule of the D mass. In this as well, we are going to follow the rule of the D mass. So the first one is D. D stands for division. So first of all, we will do the division. And in division, we have to divide 630 with 42. 630 divided by 42. So करिए. 630 divided by 42. 630 divided by 42. 42 ones are 42. 42 ones are 42. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, so we got 21. Okay, so 42 divided by, sorry, 63 minus 42 is 21. So now we will bring down the next number, that is 0. The next number is 0. Okay, next 0. So now the number became 210. So 42 5s are 210. 42 5s are 210. So 210 minus 210, nothing is left. So 210 minus 210, nothing is left. So in the quotient we got 15. क्वेश्चन में कितना है हमारे पास? 15. We got 15. So let's write the answer. That is 529 into 71 minus 630 divided by 42. We got 15 minus 50. So this is what we have done in the D division. After D we are having M. M stands for multiplication. M stands for multiplication. So now we are going to multiply these two. That is 529 multiply 71. 529 multiply 71. 1 9s are 9. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. Next 3, 6 will be carried above. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 0, 2. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. This is 7. So now add them. Let's add them both. इन दोनों को ऐड करिए. So this is 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. This is 7 and this is 3. So after multiplying 529 with 71, 529 multiplied 71, we got 37,559. 37,559 minus 15. Okay. So now we have done the division, multiplication. The next is addition. But क्या हमारे पास, do we have any addition here? No. So we will move to the next, that is S. S stands for subtraction. S stands for subtraction. So we are already having a subtraction here. So now we will subtract 15 from 37,559. So we will subtract 37,559 minus 15. Minus 15. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. This is 5, 7 and 3. So after subtracting 15 from 37,559, we got 37,554. 544. This is 44. Okay, this is 44. 37,559 minus 15, that is 37,544. So this is the solution, this is the answer of sum number 6. So I am just writing the answer separately. Answer is equal to 37,544. 37,544. So with this we have completed sum number 6 as well. So you can pause this video and note it down in your notebooks. आपको ये lines नहीं लगानी है. This is just made for your understanding. Okay. That is 37,544. So you pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए. Moving next to the question number 7. So now we will move to the next question. That is question number 7. Okay. चलिए. Moving to the next question number 7 now. The question number 7 is, okay, so that is also question number 7 is also of simplification. So we have to simplify 12,629 plus 432 divided by 3 multiply 2. Okay, so this is question number 7, that is 12,629 plus 432 plus 432 divided by 3 multiply 2. So 12,629 plus 432 divided by 3 multiply by 2. Okay, so let's solve it. Again follow the DMAS rule. Okay, so we are going to follow the same rule, that is the DMAS. So first of all, we will do the division. So D stands for division. So first of all, we will do the division. So let's divide 432 with 3. So 432 divided by 3. 432 divided by 3. 432 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down the next number, that is also 3. The number is 13. Now the number is 13. So we have to divide 13 with 3. So 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 13 minus 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down 2. The number is 12. Now the number is 12. So 12 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 12 minus 12, nothing is left. So after dividing 432 with 3, we got 144. So this is 12,629 plus 432 divided by 3, that is 144 into 2. 144 into 2. Next, after division, we are having stands for multiplication. So now we will do the multiplication. So now we will multiply this 144 into 2. So now we will do the multiplication. 144 multiplied by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. This is 288. So 144 into 2. This is 288. So 12,629 plus 288. Okay. After multiplication, we are having A. A stands for addition. A stands for addition. So now we will do the addition. So 12,629 plus 288. So 12,629 plus 288. So let's add them. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 will be carried above. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, that is 11. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, this is 9. This is 2 and 1. So after adding 12,629 with 288, we got 12,917. 12,917. So this is okay. After this we are having S as means subtraction, but हमारा sum complete हो गया है. So that is the answer. So now we are going to write the answer separately. Answer is equal to 12,917. So this is the solution of question number 7. Okay. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, and this was from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending this session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.